Dr. Narsingh Verma from Lucknow. I am working in King George Medical University, Lucknow. Type 2 diabetes is reversible disease if we diagnose these patients early and since very beginning, if we do stress on lifestyle interventions, then it can be reversed. When we talk about lifestyle interventions, much talk is there and less action is there. When we interview our patients, if we do more emphasis on this particular aspect, that we ask them to have the early dinner, because the body metabolism during the daytime and night time is different, and during night time the metabolism goes slow, and most of the organs including liver and other secretory organs require rest. At that time, if the food is taken, then the metabolism goes haywire. It also affects our central and peripheral clock harmony in circadian rhythm. So, early dinner before 7 p.m. will help in all these patients, and diabetes can be reversed by applying few formulae. One, restriction of the calorie. Second, time restricted meal. The meal should be taken within a time span, maybe from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. After that, liver should be allowed to take rest. In normal physiological conditions, the liver requires 14-hour rest. And second thing which is important is that the food should be chewed for more time. It will allow more saliva to come out, and that saliva will contain lot of enzymes and hormones. These enzymes will start working in the mouth itself. So, digestion will start in the mouth, and the hormones which are present in the saliva, except for other non-digestive functions, they will also have the impact on the satiety center. We all know very well that in hypothalamus there is one hunger center, another one is satiety center. If the satiety center is taken care of, early satiety is there, then what we can achieve? Early satiety and less meal will be taken, and that will further reduce the calorie intake. So, these two measures. Then the third measure is that the water should not be taken with meal, either half an hour before or half an hour after the meal. Fourth thing is that selection of meal. Our meal selection, our food selection should be such that 85% of the meal should contain fruits and vegetables, soup, curd and the salad. Only 15% can include the wheat and rice. So, that will constitute less calorie, more minerals, more vitamins and more roughage, more fiber content. That will help in reduction of type 2 diabetes, that will reduce hyperglycemia without burdening the beta cell. So, the whole physiology will be corrected again. After this, the meal size is also important. The meal size should be reduced and reduced to 50%, and that one can have the frequent small meals. The portion size of meal should be curtailed. And the last thing which comes in this is the 30 to 45 minutes strenuous physical activity. That strenuous physical activity will burn the required calories and also tone up the body, and muscles will utilize more glucose. So, the hyperglycemia will be taken care of. So, these few measures, other few important things are reducing the stress level, that will take care of the cortisol level, and good quality sleep. Again, that will restore most of the deformities and that will correct our metabolism, leading to containment of hyperglycemia and particularly reversing the diabetes. By these measures, we can manage most of our patients, and even we can think of reversing diabetes. So, diabetes is 100% reversible disease, especially type 2 I am talking about, not the type 1. So, it can be reversed by beautifully using the lifestyle intervention. Drugs may be required, but not in all cases. But it does not mean that drugs are not required. They are required, but not in all cases. So, large chunk of patients can be controlled.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.